Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 in the Unicorn Party Girl Tutu tutorial. Today we're making the leggings and a crop jacket. Stay tuned. For this look today, I've partnered with my friends at CNC Fabrics. They're an online fabric company that carries beautiful and unique fabrics that you probably won't find at your local craft store. This Rainbow Gorilla Long Pile fabric is so luxurious and absolutely beautiful. It's animal friendly and made with synthetic fiber. If you'd like to recreate a similar look for unicorns, trolls, a girl's bedroom rug, I encourage you to check out their website. The link to CNC Fabrics will be in the description box below. For this tutorial, you're going to need a pair of leggings. I made these using some scrap fabric that I had from another tutorial. It's totally fine to use some leggings that you already have. You'll just want to cut them right below the knee. Once you've traced your 4 patterns, you're going to cut them out of the fur. Now when you're cutting fur, it is very important to remember to cut along the back side of the fur, and you want to cut right along the fabric portion. You do not want to cut through the fur. You don't want to chop your fur in half. If you do that, it's going to look like a really bad haircut. So just try to carefully trim just the fabric on the back side. And see, then when you pull it apart, you'll still have all your long pieces, and it really cuts down on shedding too. So you're going to take your 2 pieces and pin them together. So you'll have a total of 4 pieces and 2 sets pinned together on each side. When you're pinning, make sure you're tucking in the fabric or tucking in the fur so that it's not hanging over the edge. And you're just going to straight stitch right down each side. So when you open it up, you should still have long fur, and it's seamless. I love this fabric. If you are doing a trolls party, this is the fabric for you. So after we've stitched both sides, we're going to flip it right side out, and this is what it should look like. So you will have 2 of these, 1 for each leg. So now flipping our leggings the wrong side out and flipping the bell bottom wrong side out, we're going to put the 2 together, pin it, and just straight stitch them together. When you've done both legs, you're just going to flip everything right side out, and your leggings are done. These are so cute. I love these. So CNC Fabrics was kind enough to send me more fabric than what I needed, so I decided to make a crop jacket to go with this tutu set. And I just created the pattern myself. I didn't use a pattern, so I just made it up. So I didn't film the whole thing, but I will let you watch how I put it together. Hopefully this will help inspire you all to be creative and try to make a crop jacket too. So this is the finished look. Here are the leggings, and the crop jacket. Here is my 5-year-old. She just loved this look. I really like this look without the tutu. I think you could wear it with a birthday t-shirt. So let me know what you think about this tutorial. Let me know if it was helpful. Please be sure to leave your tips, tricks, and ideas in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please click that subscribe button and click the notification button so that you can be notified of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.